Hello, I'm Design Guy. Ever wondered how to make a fun animal quiz video in Canva? Let's do it together. Click Create, then select Presentation. We will use the presentation option for this tutorial. Next, add text. Type the animal's name and place it in the desired location on the screen. Change the font to any style you want. Resize it smaller, then add a rectangle shape to enhance the design. Set the background color in Effects, then apply the spray effect. Here, you can add effects to enhance your project. Click the Effects tab to explore and apply them easily. Click the color picker and select your desired color. The change will apply immediately. If you want to revert, simply choose the original color again. This way, you can customize your design quickly and see the results in real time. Experiment with different colors until you find the one that best suits your project. Select the animal image, resize it smaller, then go to Edit and choose the desired option. Apply the black filter for tone adjustment. You can duplicate the image or the entire page using Ctrl+D. Then, make changes to either the original or the duplicated version as needed. Close the window slightly, click Filters, select Image, then merge it. Next, add the desired text to the merged image. Type the animator's name. Add a link in the designated spaceline as shown on the screen. Adjust the speed, move the marker to the middle, and experiment to find the best timing for your project. Increase the duration to slow the animation. Go to the first page, start the presentation, and use the arrow keys to navigate through the slides. Move to the next slide to add more animals. To create additional slides, continue using the same method for each new slide. Select any element from the Elements tab. To create an animal quiz game in Canva, click Share or Download. Choose to save as a video or a PowerPoint file. Before downloading, select all pages to include the entire project in your saved file. Now you know how to create a fun Canva quiz video, guessing animals like, and subscribe for more creative tips.